Hello everyone, how you all are doing? So today I'm going to talk about networking basics, and I'm going to talk about these four important commands that we are going to do. So this video is specifically for DevOps engineers, but it is also helpful for those who are learning networking. So I have been working on various networking, troubleshooting, and projects. But many times when I come across certain concepts, I realize that some fundamentals are not very easily clear, and I have to search a lot for it. This video and the video series is created to help those who want to understand the conceptual things about networking. And now, if we start without further delay, I would like you to start with your terminal platform and do hands on along with me. So, I have connected with my IP, with EC2 instance, and you can see in a very simple way, this is the process that I have done, and this is my terminal on a local device, and I am uh, performing the task. So I would request you all to do this. All this information is on my GitHub. You can also find that there. You can fork it, or you can give suggestions of how we can add more to it. So let's start with the first one, ifconfig. Now, ifconfig is used to show or configure network interfaces. So if I print ifconfig, we will see there are two network interfaces, ENS5, that is the Amazon network interface, and of the virtual private network, and NO, that is a loopback of my particular system. Going ahead, if we add something more to it, like for example ETH0 maybe, and I'll suggest it as up. So this is the name of my supposedly network interface, which of course is not present here, but I'm trying it just to see what happens. Error, while getting interface flags, no such device is found. So of course we can see only two of these. So this is uh, this is not actually existing. So we are going to try this one, NS5. Okay, I'm sorry, NS5, and this up. Operation not permitted. The reason is I am not a root user, so what I need to do is I need to be using sudo. Okay, so let me try with sudo. Okay, so since it's already up, it is not showing anything. If I select it down, the network will shut down. So it is wise not to do that, but I hope you understand. So it's just simply, instead of up, you have to put on down. Okay, so this is a simple command. I hope you understood this. Now we'll go ahead with the another one, but before that, just read what I have written. It is an old utility to view and configure network interfaces, mostly replaceable now. uh, it shows IP, MAC, and interface status, but lacks newer feature. It is an old one, right? Nowadays we use IP, okay, which is installed by the package. The name is, just give me a moment. I think the name is IP Route 2, if I'm not wrong. Yes. IP Route 2 is the package name. It is a collection of modern networking tool like IPTC, which replace the legacy one, and this is one of the legacy one. But to understand the concept, I'm just giving an example here. Going ahead, let's try IP addr. Okay, IPADDR, as the name suggests, displays IP address assigned to interfaces. Okay, now here you can see there are no interface, though no I. Okay, these are the same things that are going to get displayed in IP address. So just okay. All right. I hope you can see. It's the same thing, just in a little organized way, right? Okay, now going ahead, we will try some more things here, like IP addr show, and let's try maybe hello. Okay, so this is the IP of my device, 127.0.1/8. 8 is the number of subnets attached with this. Okay, again let me try IP show ENS 5 maybe. Okay, so we can see it is an Ethernet and this is the IP address. All right, okay, which you can see it is the same here as this, right? This one. Okay, so I hope this is clear now. Now let's try something which again is illegal here. We cannot do it. Just an example, IT address, okay, IP address at 192.168.1.1 / subnet 22 dev ENS 5. Okay, operation not permitted. What happened? Yes, correct. So we are not the root user, so we need to add this. It happened already. Perfect. So we added, what we did was we just added IP address with subnet mask to network interface. All right. Okay, now what is IP link? If you can see, so let's read what we have written for IP addr. That is, displays IP addresses assigned to network interfaces. Part of the modern IP route 2 suite replaces ifconfig. Okay, all right. It is one of the part of IP route 2, sorry, and it is one of the, because it is using IP. So this is an old version, but anything that is using IP with the other words, other scripts, it is a modern version. So IP link is also the part of IP route 2, and same with IP route 2 also. All right, so going ahead, let's try IP link. Okay, IP link, what happened here? So again, we can see some more data is shown here. Okay, now what is this? This is showing network interfaces. Again, it is the same thing, information. All right, so you will find the similar information, right, as you did with IP link, because it is the default. And let's do one thing. Let's link let's deactivate ETH0. We are not going to deactivate ENS5 because it is active. Just for example, we are going to do this IP link set ETH0 down. Oops, cannot find the device. Again, let's try with sudo. Since it cannot find the device, so there is no use of doing it. So yeah, I hope you understood. It's searching for device ETH0. ETH is the tag, okay, tag of our network interface, and it's trying to search the device. It cannot find it. If it would have found this device, they have set it to down, that is, they have disconnected it. All right, okay, moving ahead, we are proceeding with IP route. And yeah, so it is showing the routing table. And let's see, IP route or IP route show will show the same thing, the current routing table. Okay, and let's add a default value, a default gateway. Okay, so add default is 192.168.1.1. Perfect. Now let me close this bracket and done. Okay, IP address, there is an error. Let's see what the error is. Okay, the error that is showing syntax error near unexpected token, new line. Okay. Okay, there is some error with this. Let me try again. Maybe this is the error. Okay, it's maybe not able to read via. Let me see what is the error. Just give me a moment. I'm just troubleshooting it here. Okay, now it's running. The reason is it's not able to read the semicolon. So yeah. Okay, so I hope you understood this. This is pretty simple, and this is the basics of networking. It is helpful to understand these concepts in the very beginning so that you can actually try and test. Okay. All right. Now I'll see you in another video, and in another video we are going to talk about networking advanced. It's going to be similar, pretty simple, and all the nodes will be added in this. So you just have to go to DevOps Week 1 networking, and then you will see this networking basics MD, and you'll find all the content here. Okay. All right, thank you for your time. Thank you for being with me, and I'll see you in another video. Keep practicing. Bye bye.